Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. There is another video in Engineers in Progress, particularly on the topic circles, and this is about transforming the general form of a circle into the standard form, and then we sketch the graph so that you'll be able to master the construction of circles, and hopefully in the future you can solve problems involving circles. There are 4 exercises here. The fifth one is for you to check. So here we go. Put the equations of the circles in standard form and sketch the graph of the following. A, x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 12y equals negative 27. So you notice that the rest should be simplified, though the coefficients are given, but if you divide them by these coefficients, then it will reduce to this form where the coefficients of the second degree terms will be 1. But the values here at the right side may be chosen to be a different one so that it is not divisible by these coefficients here. So in other words, these equations are not yet simplified. Using the formula, the diameter 2r is square root of coefficient of x squared plus coefficient of y squared minus 4 times the constant. So I'll present 2 ways for part A, then in the succeeding exercises just 1 way. The method by completing the squares, because that should be the procedure in transforming the general form to the standard form, so that we will not forget how to transform them, the general form, into the standard form. So I'll present that first. So center is at negative 1/2 of coefficient of x, comma negative 1/2 of coefficient of y. So 1/2, negative 1/2 of 8 is negative 4. By the way, once the general form is transformed into this form where coefficients of x squared and y squared are 1. So the radius 2r diameter square root of 8 squared plus negative 12 squared. If negative 27 is transferred to the left, it is positive 27, so minus 4 times 27. So 2r equals square root of 8 squared plus negative 12 squared minus 4 times positive 27, because this negative 27 is positive in the left side. So r is equal to 5. So the center is at negative 4, 6. The other way, by completing squares, we have x squared plus 8x plus 16. So that's the standard form, x minus negative 4, so x plus 4 squared plus quantity y minus 6 squared equals 25. So the radius is 5 because this is 5 squared. So let's sketch negative 4, positive 6, the center. Negative 4, 6 here. And the radius is 5. This is already 4 plus 1, so 5. It should pass through here. It should pass through this point as shown in the figure. So that's it for that part. Then by completing square, we have quantity x squared plus 8x plus 4 plus 16 rather. Then plus quantity y minus 12y plus 6 squared 36 equals negative 12 plus 16 plus 36. So this is 52 minus 27, 25. So this is x plus 4 square plus quantity y minus 6 quantity square equals 5 square or 25. So they are the same. We proceed to part B. So this time I use this approach, factor out 2. So we have 2 quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then plus 2 quantity y squared minus 4y plus 4. And equals 8. And plus 2, 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 2 times 4, 8. So 8 plus 2 plus 8. So we divide everything by 2 so that this becomes 1 and complete the square in x. So we have to factor this trinomial, perfect square trinomials. So we have x plus 1 square plus y, quantity y minus 2 square equals, this is 9. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 8, 18 divided by 2, 9, or 3 square. So quantity x plus 1 square plus quantity y minus 2 square equals 9. So the center is at negative 1 comma positive 2 and the radius is 3 because 9 is 3 square. So let's sketch. Negative 1 is here and positive 2 there, and the radius is 3, so it should pass through these points. That 5 there, and there negative 4. So that's it for that exercise. Then part C, factor out 3. So 3 quantity x squared plus 4x plus 4. Then plus 3 times quantity y squared plus 8y, because 24 over 3 is 8. Then plus 16, 3 quantity y squared plus 8y plus 16 equals negative 12 plus 3 times 4, 12 plus 3 times 16, 18. So negative 12 plus 12 plus 48. Cancel out negative 12, 48 over 3 is 16. So the radius is 4. 16 is 4 square. So this is 3 quantity, or this is quantity x plus 2 square plus quantity y plus 4 square equals 4 square or 16. So the center is at negative 2 comma negative 4 and the radius is 4. So let's sketch the graph. Negative 2 comma negative 4 here, the center, and the radius is 4. So it should pass through that point, so also negative 8 here. So that's the circle. Next, last D, letter D, and this is your part. Factor out 6. So we have 6 quantity x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then plus 6 quantity y squared plus 4y plus 4. So 6 quantity y squared plus 4y plus 4 equals 24. Then plus 6 plus 24. So this is 54, right side. Divide by 6, 9. So that means 9 is 3 square, radius is 3. So this is x minus 1 square plus quantity y plus 2 squared equals 9. So center is 1 comma negative 2 and the radius is 3. So let's sketch the graph. Center 1 comma negative 2, which is here. Radius is 3, so it should pass through that point. Sorry, radius is positive 1 comma negative 2 here, and the radius is 3. 1, 2, 3, so it passes through that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the circle. And for your part, this one show that the standard form is equal to this. X minus minus 1 quantity square plus y minus 2 quantity square equals 4. Center is 1, 2, radius is 2. So that's it for this video.